special because, as you may or may not be aware, I now have 10 subscribers. Woo! 10 subscribers! And, that may not seem like much, but to me, it's a lot. Because I started this channel in July, maybe? And now, July, August, September, somewhere around there. But the fact that I can make 10 people happy is just awesome. So I hope that I can keep getting more subscribers in the future. But for now, this is pretty good. This is a milestone for me. So yeah, that was pretty good. Thank you so much, guys. So much. It's so awesome that I can have you guys subscribing to me. Yeah. So, peace out, homies.